Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 FALCO patrol boot. So patrol boot, as you can see, is a shorter level boot, more of a trainer style, but it is still full grain leather as you'd expect from FALCO, being an Italian brand. So you've got full grain leather upper, you've got oil and water resistant sole on the bottom, so you're going to get the protection you need around the bottom, not going to slide on anything in the garage. DTO armour built in as well, that's how we're getting that CE rating, because this is a CE approved boot, so you're going to get protection even though it's a trainer style boot. As I say, laces up the front with a full grain leather tongue as well. In terms of waterproofing, we're using a high-tech German membrane, really high quality membrane, especially at this price point. Built into the sole of the shoe, we've also got an internal crush-proof sole. So you're not getting any crush this way if the bike falls on you, but you're getting full flexibility in the toe area. If I spin it around to the front, you've got the embossed gear change pad, and round to the side again, just a beautiful clean finish on the inside. Soft area so it doesn't scratch the bike on the top of the boot as well, and a pull-on tab at the back. So a really nice, high-quality, CE approved boot from FALCO. If you need more information on this product, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook site, Bikerheadz.